Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robil.
We're super excited to have you back on Tigrinya Tuesday. Today, we're gonna take you guys with us on a picnic.
Picnic?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah,
we want to say welcome to everyone, our subscriber and our potential new subscriber. We want to say welcome to everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and also hit the bell button so that you're notified every Tuesday when we upload and Thursday. So, and we are going to get into the program. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get into it. All right, so now I'm going to be teaching Robil words. I'm going to say the English and the Tigrinya. You'll repeat the Tigrinya part. You ready? Picnic, zuret.
Zuret.
Beautiful day, tsubok maalti.
Tsubok maalti.
Food, megbi.
Megbi.
Banana, moose.
Moose.
Yes.
Or
banana.
Banana.
I think.
I remember that.
Yes. Cheese, formaggio.
Formaggio.
Cookie is biscotti.
Biscotti.
Yes. Cooler, mezhali.
Cooler.
Mezhali.
Mezhali.
Apple, tufo.
Tufo.
Water, mai.
Mai.
Basket, zambil.
Zenbil.
Fork. Now I must say fork. Fork is forchetta.
Forchetta.
Yes. Spoon is manca.
Manca.
Yes, manca. Knife is kara.
Kara.
Finger is a zabeti.
Finger.
Zabeti.
Saberti. Saberti.
Azabeti.
Asaberti. Asaberti. You have to go like this every time. Asaberti.
Okay. Blanket, coberta.
Coberta.
Yes. Umbrella, tselal.
Tselal. Tselal.
Yes.
How's my pronunciation?
Great.
Tselal.
Quilt, derebe.
Derebe.
Yes. Tree, om.
Om.
Park, menafesha.
Menafesha. All right, now I want to teach you a couple words, okay?
Okay.
All right, repeat after me.
Yes.
Blue, samayawi.
Blue, samayawi.
I just only need you to do the Tigrinya. Blue is samayawi.
Samayawi. Okay.
Tooth, sini.
Sini.
Speaker is madari.
Medari.
Okay, now say it all together. Samayawi, sini, madari.
Samayawi, sini, medari.
Which means what? Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth speaker.
Bluetooth speaker. Okay.
Very important to bring to the picnic.
Okay. You're right. Yes, I agree. A bit?
Naanai, nedege, lo maalti, aziu, supo, alo, dege.
Yes. Let's go. Owa.
Owa?
Owa. Yes. صبغ حسب أشربيلا كي تدلي خانا من نافشة.
Yeah. Uwe.
Okay. نعنا.
Entai, ainet, megbi, kenwesed, nab, zaret.
Oh, something. صبغ مقبي.
Biscotti?
No.
Formaggio? Hambasha?
Owa.
Okay.
Hambasha. Let's go. It's such a beautiful day. We're so blessed to live in San Diego. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Picnic?
Picnic is zuret.
Yes. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Tsupo ma'alti.
Right.
Is that right?
Yes, good job.
I remember, see? Food, megbi.
Oh, you knew that.
I know food. Food's
Banana?
easy. Banana, mousse, or banana. There's two
Cheese.
words for it.
Cheese.
Cheese formaggio. That's easy.
Cookie, your favorite, Delina.
Cookie, biscotte.
Biscotti.
Biscotti. Biscotti.
Cooler.
Cooler, mezwalhi. Is that right?
Mezhali.
Mezhali.
Apple.
Apple, tufa.
Water.
Water, mai.
You are awesome.
Mai.
Basket.
Basket, zenbil.
Fork.
Fork, forquita.
Forqueta.
Forqueta.
How do you say finger?
Finger, atsabetti.
Knife.
Knife, kara.
Spoon.
Spoon, manka.
Good job.
Thank you. Gedzepka.
No.
Yaanyele.
Blanket.
Blanket, kobarta.
Umbrella.
Umbrella, tselal.
Quilt.
Quilt, derebe.
Good job.
Tree, om.
Park.
Park, menafesha.
Good job.
Menafesha. Okay, now I have 3 words I'd like to test you.
Oh, to me?
I'd like to test you.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. The first word is blue.
Samayawi.
Say it again, but with a better pronunciation, please.
Samayawi.
Samayawi, very good.
My brain was not ready for that.
Next word is tooth.
Tooth?
Yes.
Sydney.
Sydney, very good. The third word is speaker.
Speaker?
Yes, speaker.
Forgot.
Medari.
Medari.
Okay.
Okay. Speaker. Medari.
Medari. All right. How do you say Bluetooth speaker?
Samayawi Sydney Medari.
Medari.
Thank you, Medari.
Medari.
You're teaching me Tigrinya.
Yes.
Really? Okay. Miss Ravete Mohan Yufotu.
Ane in Kalai.
Oh, Azuyu Yufotu Misachan Misdelinan Gizye Kahelifo.
Ane in Kalai gizie mis aken ka halefo des yibleni.
Aw, that's sweet. Good. It's family time. Hey guys, so we are all done. I hope you enjoy our picnic. It's a beautiful day, as every day is a beautiful day that we get to breathe in this beautiful air. So we love you guys so much. We're so excited to be back. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.